It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbles, or where the doer of deeds could have done them better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena,
Let's begin.
whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood,
who strive valiantly, who errs, who comes short again and again, because there is no effort without error and shortcoming, but who does actually strive to do the deeds, who know great enthusiasm, the great devotion, who spends himself in worthy cause,
Who at the best knows in the end the triumph of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least fails while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls, who neither know victory nor defeat.
Good luck buat Coco yang akan bertanding di Brussels di World Brewers Cup. Semoga dilancarkan dari awal hingga hopefully bisa sampai ke final dan membawa nama Indonesia ke kancah dunia.
Hi Co, good luck for Brussels. I think the best brewer that I know. Go get the trophy. You deserve it. Good luck.
It's a place where everyone can experience coffee differently. Even perhaps rediscover what coffee can truly become. But it carries something much bigger, a belief that the most meaningful experiences are created through the moment that we shared around coffee. And today, you are part of the room, so please enjoy time